grand. Man, to hell with the cash, cause that ain't the point. We used to sit around and laugh after smoking a joint. We used to watch TV, need chicken wings. We had tickle fights, we did the wild thing. Now I'm all alone, up in my room. This house is feeling empty. We used to talk about being bride and groom. Now we ain't even friendly. Trying to get you on the phone. Says you gone. You ain't coming home. Girl, I'm sleeping alone. Trying to get you on the line. Beg you to be mine. But their souls all come up empty. Put me in the mix, girl, what's the deal? All I'm trying to be is friendly. Try to get you on the phone. But your mother says you're gone. You ain't coming home. Girl, I'm sleeping alone. Try to get you on the line. Beg you to be mine. Just so hard to find. Sheet up. It's the young political, psychoanalytical, undefeated champ that'll stick you, fool. My style is crazy, now I go out the lazy. If you chill with me, I'll be sure to bang. Put you in the ground, let you drift like a daisy. That shit's in my system, makes my life kinda easy. I think I should tell them. This nigga got my head fucked up, my cerebellum. It's about time to confuse your man with my bitch. Never like a sign, my bitch. But never like this. Back to my mind, my brain is up this. When I'm smoking on the smoke, they put it on even in my feet got drunk. It's like Nicky Mantle, I can see my stance on the supercharged. All of that's a lesson in hand. The fucking song like I write in my lesson. And I'm a lyricist, that's why we see it most of the each side to each side. From Kentucky to Baghdad, your pops was always on my bad and making my bad dad. We still managed to eat, come to think wasn't half bad. But Doug was always on about the things they would never have. Now I was born in Oakland, better known as the cold town. Done seen too many folks die, some put the soul down. Done heard my mama crying if I knew what I know now. I'll probably have to treat the party room with a cold pound. I'm trying to keep my head on straight, low, keep me from catching the taste. I feel my head side burning, must have swallowed out 28. I'm drinking milk and Mackey's up, but still I ain't feeling straight. Some old hat murder my granddad over real saying, I'd rather take the slide. Rather take the slide. Rather take the slide. If I pull it out, homie, you better kick it out. Or you living in 100 house, ran what you tried to run, came how you tried to come, did what you couldn't do. Difference between me and you, slow for a while now, country for a lifetime. Cool is what I choose to be, but that ain't what I used to be. Muddy waters couldn't drown a nigga, bloodhound on the trail for real, shaking up this rap shit, giving niggas hell for real. Turn her to dogs here, music in your ears, dancing to your traffic game. This wild life, kissing the business right. dirty truck where I stay is a wreck. But that's just how I ride because I'm country boy fresh. I'm feeling good about tonight. Country boy fresh. What do country girls like? Cause I'm country boy. This dirty truck where I stay is a wreck. But that's just how I ride because I'm country boy fresh. Slide into my blue jeans, so fresh, so clean. Head on out to that mud hole. Hot girls in the beer ice cold.
Where was you heading to?
The store. Oh, what you got going on?
Nothing.
Out and about.
Yep.
Ready for my kicker. You washed it, didn't you?
Yep. Had to.
I know.
It was dirty.
Look good too, but it was shining all the way down the street. Look like a sunset.
Right. I still got a polish on it, son, though. Get that chroma shine.
Go get some spaghetti sauce.
We had spaghetti last night. Yeah. Man. That's a mother. It's a scratch right there, ain't it? Yeah. Big as shit.
Oh man. Ain't got no call yet. I'm sure hoping I get one this week. I'm trying to hustle up now. Waiting on motherfuckers to call.
I think I'm gonna this summer, just as soon as it warms up a little bit more, I'm gonna go see America by myself
Push out.
and go see shit fucking
Let's go.
yeah, like Tombstone. Go see Tombstone. I'm gonna go all over the place. Nope.
Push. Enjoy the ride.
Mhm. I think I need something like that.
Need to get away.
Yep.
When you come back, you'll be a new person.
Yep. Take this motherfucker across the United States and back. If it'll take me,
It'll take you.
I'm sure it will.
Take you.
Just take care of it. It'll take care of me.
Nothing wrong with that, E. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Good thing about that shit. You can send postcards. I'm
Yeah.
in this state right here.
Yeah.
Get a postcard. Drop it.
Probably take me like 2-3 months
Ain't nothing wrong with
if I don't stay somewhere.
that. Yeah, you don't find nowhere and make a living, and settle down, cause it can happen.
Yeah, I know it could.
Easy.
Mhm.
Right in, and before you know it, you fucking set up shop. And you home.
Mhm.
That'd be some crazy shit. I know you do it too.
I did crazier shit.
Yeah, I know you do it. I mean, your kids is grown.
Yeah, and I've been taking care of everybody. I mean, fuck, it's time for some me time, man. For real.
You know.
Because I've lost all my abilities with my senses and with
Yeah.
earth and shit. No, I mean I gotta get that back.
Get back.
For real.
That's just being alive. Not feeling good and not alive. Being
Right.
like locked up in America.
Yeah.
It's like being locked up inside America.
Getting up knowing the same thing's gonna go on today. The exact same
That's
thing.
a fact. You can predict it. You know, same like deja vu all over again. I know exactly what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah, she's probably sitting in that hot car, man. What?
Oh, no, not yet. Stay on. She make that money.
You want to pick up some weed later?
Yeah.
I'll probably be in the market for a half.
Okay. Fighting right now. Fighting steady.
I know, dude. I know the feeling. I'm so ready for something like that though, man.
Oh,
Just pack this motherfucker bike full.
shit.
You can do it, dude. You can fucking get in front, fucking.
Get your toothbrush and all that. You can pick up shit along the way.
Yeah, fucking sleeping bag tent. Fucking put all that shit right here. That's all I need. Pack me a pistol.
All that. All that right there.
Yep.
That dude up there do some good leather work.
Oh yeah.
He made a bag for mixed bike for the handlebars. Pretty sweet. It's on there. He put it on there. I'll show it to you.
Oh yeah.
It's all leather and no buttons.
Yeah, that's cool.
He do pretty good work on it. I told him make me. I want a vest and some chaps. I just want something different. You know what I mean? I said I like it because it's
Is
different.
this cow or steer?
I think it's steering.
I think so.
You do that. You make knives, pouches, knife holders.
All kinds of shit, huh?
Yeah, cup holders. He make knives.
Excuse me.
What you gonna do? Get in the wind, or you gonna sit here for a minute?
Nah, I'm gonna probably get some wind and I'll probably come back.
Okay. I'm just gonna get some spaghetti sauce.
Alright. Alright. Yep, I like it, all the people looking at me. Later, man.
You can always duck off.
Right?
I'll see you in a minute.
Alright. They're going to get spaghetti sauce. I made him come all the way back. I made him come all the way back.
Feeling good about tonight. Country boyfriend. What do country girls like? Cause I'm country boyfriend. 30 truck where I stay is a wreck. But that's just how I ride because I'm country boyfriend. I like that.
Hunger claims 1 million young lives every year. But for the first time in history, game-changing solutions are within our reach. Did you know that just $45 provides a full course of life-saving treatment to a malnourished child? Help save a child's life today. To donate to Action Against Hunger, please call 777-777-420 or go to www.actionagainsthunger.org/donate.
In the morning, rising to the street. Light me up that cigarette and I strap shoes on my feet. Got to find a reason things went wrong. Got to find a reason why my money's all gone. I got a Dalmatian, I can still get high. I can play the guitar like a motherfucking riot. Life is too short, so love the one you got, 'cause you might get run over or you might get shot. Never had to battle with a bulletproof vest. Never start static, I get it off my chest. Take a small example, a tip from me. Take it off your money, give it up to me. That's what I got, within my reach. The soft bombs, tough, like a long beat. Come back to you, you're gonna get what you deserve. Try and test that, you're bound to get served. Love's what I got, don't start a riot. You feel it when the dance gets hot. Love is what I got. I said remember that. Love is what I got. I said remember that. Why don't cry when my dog runs away? I don't get angry at the bills I have to pay. I don't get angry when my mom smokes pot. It's the bottle and goes right to the rocks. Fuck it, fight it, it's all the same. Living with Louis Dog's the only way to stay sane. Let the loving come back to me. Loving is what I got. I said remember that. Loving is what I got. I said remember that. Loving is what I got. I said remember that. Loving is what I got. Remember that. Loving Now I'm laying drunk in the floor, yelling, looking at the door. I called her mama and her sister, told them that I really missed her. Guess I know what kinda gone, she ain't never coming home. Back to being all alone, my life is like a sad song. Every time I hear her name, I realize what a shame. Now I'm just old news, dealing with the
This big white redneck's got the blues.
Lord of mercy, this pain really hurts.
From this cowboy hat to these worn out boots.
I don't know what to do, I'll never get it over.
A woman done lit my fuse, and this bar ain't got the blues.
That's right.
To cure this big white redneck with the blues. Well, this woman done
sitting in a pearl white Eldorado. Gangsta lean, she was revving the throttle. Got a sticker on the bumper, said she like Tejano. She look like Selena. The truth couldn't be plainer. She like a gangsta boogie. Her poppy calls her cookie. Her friends call her a sad girl, cause a man went away and he ain't never coming back. So why another tattoo? Sad girl living on the east side of the city. Wild woman, boy, she don't want none of y'all pity. Sad girl, got no one to rely on.
Man, I'm ready for a freaking headache.